Hi Kendall, my name is Janice Miller, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found out a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to use it by your own, by all means, that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition is content, backlinks, and citation. As I see from your website here, it looks great, but it will be better to have a click call button here. And as I see your website do not have enough wording, because in Google eyes like to see at least 1500 words to 2000 words, and also depend on your competition. Google like information, so your content need to have the right keywords, which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service and your area. And as I see for your photos here, you also do not have any content on your photos, because all your photos considered to be content as well as also highly recommended to put in the right keywords in all the photos so they're able to be searched in Google for your website. So I'm using the keywords to search, which is roofers in Glenwood, Maryland. And this is the Google guarantee. And this will be the Google Map Pack. So this we call it as citation 2. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business. Since this can generate huge amounts of revenue, you have to be in these top 4 here. So a citation includes directories like Yelp, NG, Expertise, VB, and hundreds of others that you may heard of. Social media accounts are great too. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. And the next thing I want to touch is about this organic listing here. You have to be in top 3, but of course we do not include the ng.com, yelp.com, all these directories. And I want to use this program name Arab here to show you the analytics of your website. So UR is the power of your website and DR is the trust of your website. As your numbers here have to be in 30 to 40 is considered a strong site, you have to boost the number so that Google can see you more. And also for your backlinks is the 75 and your referring domains is 52. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry and local website will work best. As for your keywords, it will be 147 and your monthly traffic on your website is only 30. So I want to show for your competition here that as you see the number for the UR and DR is nice, but it has to be in between 30 to 40 for both. And the backlinks is 1550. For their referring domains is 198. As for the keywords, they have 1100 and their monthly traffic is 901, which is you miss out a lot of clients. And I would like to talk about keywords is that you have to choose the right keywords to put it in, which is your service that you provide and the service of your area that you provide. So example, roofing companies Baltimore, and the volume search per month is 600 and the position of the keywords is on top page 1. So these are the keywords you might be missing out on the volume search here per month. So you have to choose the right keywords to put it in your homepage. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on the video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. As I said, you can use it by your own too. Thank you. Have a good day.